Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. If you want to learn how to draw support and resistance, what are the secrets of it, you can contact me on Telegram and I will surely help you. Okay, let's discuss about Cipla. See, this stock has a swing low support of this and resistance of this, and if you will watch this closely you will find out that this level will also act as a resistance. Okay, what has happened in this stock? The stock has further managed to close below this resistance line, this red resistance line, and it is taking resistance of this line and its continuation of falling price is found in any time frame. Okay, see, if you'll watch this in 15-minute time frame, you will find out that the stock is falling. If you'll watch this in 30-minute time frame, you will find out that the stock is falling. It was taking support of this trend line, which I have drawn as a resistance, okay, of this trend line. Okay, and after that the stock went upside, made this level as resistance on 6th of May, fallen, gave an upside move, again it has made a new sort of a low. What can happen in this stock? See, there can be only two sort of a pattern which you can see in this stock. See, this level as a resistance now because it has broken, and this level also as a resistance now, right? Because the stock has taken multiple resistance at these levels. Okay, and this level is acting as a support for this stock, right? So what can happen if the stock goes below this low? Okay, 868.67, it will trigger stop losses of big traders, right? Big traders who have bought this stock at this price has placed their stop loss at this region. It will trigger stop loss of many big traders, and the stock will continue to fall and will try to test this level of 836, right? See, now if you'll watch, you will find out that in 1 hour time frame, okay, the stock had this level as support, right? The stock has this level as support. Okay, it has given a upside breakout, okay, upside breakout, but it is actually forming this head and shoulder kind of a pattern, okay, head and shoulder kind of a pattern, and it is actually trading at this support region, right? So what will happen in this stock? If any 1 hour candle closes below this resistance region, sorry, support region, then you should short this stock. Let any 1 hour candle, why I'm telling 1 hour? See, if any 1 hour candle manages to close below this support line, then this stock will turn bearish, and all of the buyers who have bought the stock at this price, this price will start to exit their position, and the stock will further move towards the downside. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Cipla, and if you have still holdings in this stock Cipla, then you can keep your long term stop loss at this level. Okay, at this level of 652. Okay, why? Because see, if the stock will fall, it will try to test 706 level, or it may also come and try 740 level, or it may also come and try 827 level. But if you have invested at this price of 316, this price will never come in this stock again in future, just because there is a huge sort of a perspective which has opened on pharma sector's shares, right? So I would request you to place your stop loss at this region of 643 and trail your stop loss or invest on the support region more and more. Okay, so on EMA context, if you will watch this stock, you will find out that 200 EMA of daily time frame is providing support to this stock, and if the stock will manage to come towards downside of 780 region, this stock will take support at this price and try to bounce back. Okay, so have a closer look on this stock. This stock, if turns bearish, then it may fall till 780 rupees. Whoever has invested at this price, okay, at this price, should also consider averaging around 780 rupees. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Cipla. If you like my analysis, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.